Chameleons have built a pretty solid reputation on two commonly held beliefs. They can stealthily blend into their surroundings. But it turns out one of those supposed facts isn't quite right. In fact, everything you think you know about chameleons and their color-changing capabilities is likely backward. So, how do chameleons change color? The color change is based on structural changes of crystal-like cells called iridophores underneath the skin that refract light. The color change in chameleons is controlled by specialized cells called chromatophores and iridophores in their skin. Chromatophores contain different pigments, and iridophores reflect light. By expanding or contracting these cells, chameleons can create a wide range of colors and patterns. When anything agitates or exhilarates the chameleon, things start to get interesting. When they get excited, feel threatened, or want to display positively toward a mate or negatively to a rival, the crystals separate or compress and give off the appearance of different colors. Why do chameleons change color? Chameleons change color primarily for communication, temperature regulation, and camouflage. For example, bright colors can indicate dominance or readiness to mate, while darker colors can signal submission or stress. Chameleons are ectothermic, cold-blooded, and rely on external sources to regulate their body temperature. They can change to darker colors to absorb more heat when they are cold, or to lighter colors to reflect sunlight and stay cool. While not the primary reason for color changes, chameleons